Getting a new cable box connected doesn't have to be complicated. In just a few simple steps, you'll have your Xfinity service showing on your Samsung Smart TV. Before you begin, make sure you have your Xfinity cable box, both remote controls, an HDMI cable, the coaxial cable from the wall, and the power adapter ready to go. Start by locating an available HDMI port on the back or side of your Samsung Smart TV. Remember which HDMI number you choose because you'll select that same input later. Now connect one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI out port on the back of your Xfinity cable box. Push it in firmly so it sits securely. Next, connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the matching HDMI port on your Samsung Smart TV. This cable carries both the picture and the sound. If your Xfinity service uses a coaxial cable, connect it from the wall outlet to the cable in connector on the back of the cable box and tighten it by hand until it's snug. Plug the cable box into a wall outlet using its original power adapter. Give it a moment to start up while the front indicator light comes on. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV using the Samsung remote. If the TV opens to the Smart Hub or home screen, that's completely normal. Press the source or input button on your Samsung remote and choose the same HDMI port where you connected the cable box. Within a few moments, the Xfinity startup screen should appear. If you can already see the Xfinity welcome screen, you're off to a great start. In the next part, we'll complete the setup, pair the remote if needed, and troubleshoot the most common connection problems. Once the Xfinity startup screen appears, give the cable box a little time to finish loading. The first startup can take longer than normal, so avoid pressing buttons repeatedly. If Xfinity displays setup instructions, use the Xfinity remote to follow those prompts. The exact screens can vary depending on your Xfinity service and equipment. Keep the Xfinity remote pointed generally toward the cable box while navigating. Use the on-screen instructions as your guide rather than guessing which option to select. Some setup screens may take a moment to load. If you see a progress message, wait for it to finish before trying another command. When the setup completes, select a channel and confirm that both the picture and sound are coming through the Samsung TV. That's the easiest way to verify the connection. If the TV says no signal, don't assume the cable box is defective. First, press source on the Samsung remote and make sure you've selected the exact HDMI input used for the connection. Still seeing no signal? Check both HDMI connections. The cable should run from the HDMI out port on the Xfinity box to the HDMI input you selected on the Samsung TV. Follow the cable from one device to the other and confirm there isn't another HDMI input being used accidentally. A secure connection at both ends can resolve a simple connection problem. If everything is connected correctly, but the picture still doesn't appear, restart the Xfinity cable box. Disconnect its power, wait briefly, reconnect it, and allow the box to complete its startup process. Once a live Xfinity channel appears with clear picture and sound, the setup is complete. Your Xfinity cable box is now connected to the Samsung Smart TV through HDMI and ready for normal viewing.